Itachi, specifically Edo Tensei Itachi, with his Mangekyo Sharingan activated. So, cool portrait of him. I've been drawing Naruto on this channel for about 7 years. And it always surprises me how many portraits of and cool drawings of the characters that still come up that I've totally missed. It's crazy. On a landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, I'm going to start with his eyes. His big eyelash eyes. So about center point here, eyes halfway. His head is a little bit tilted, so the eyes might go that way. So we'll go get the basic shape in first, up and over the top like so. And then we'll go back down in. And then the bottom eyelid just comes across here. So that's like your basic shape for his eye. Now Itachi has eyelashes, so a good few. So we just thicken this up. And then add 1 or 2 spikes coming off here. And then there's a big one in the corner. And that goes down. And he also has like a couple of spikes sticking off the bottom. He's one of the few characters in Naruto that have these. So then his Mangekyo Sharingan. Now if you want, you can do the white eye. You know, the way when he loses his sight just right before he disappears. You can do a white one in this one. So if you don't want to draw 2 Mangekyos, you could just do this one white. But I'll do 2 because that's what's in the picture. So we'll go around. From the top eyelid just for this eye. Now if you have a coin or something that's the right size, you could do that just in there. So his Mangekyo, so we have a very, very small pupil, like a circle, like a red circle, just there in the middle, okay? And then he has that like spiky symbol that's inside. It can be tricky. So, and this is black, so we'll go just around there. And then it spikes out here. And then it goes back in. And then this side spikes down this way. And then this side goes up. And up to there. And this is just colored black. So it's kind of like a helicopter propeller or something. And then he tends to have like an extra sort of line like coming around the red part there. So his eye line, his eyelid line, just above. And he probably has another little line there as well. And then his eyebrow, check mark, just going up this way. And then we'll add the dark, heavier section of the eyebrow at the front. And we'll go over and do the other side. So his head is slightly slanted, so the eye isn't directly across from this one. So it's like up a bit from it. So it's probably there. So if you measure his eye, come over that much. Maybe not the whole eyelash, maybe just the tear duct to the edge of his eye. That'll roughly give you the point. And it's slightly higher up. It's kind of in line with the top of his eyelid there. But it's just because his eyes are tilted. And then we'll go across again. Now, a lot of his eyelashes go behind hair, but it's probably easier to just draw them in. And then we thicken it up and add eyelashes. So a nice dark line. Make sure you get your big one in the corner. And then add his double eyelash spikes down there. And then the Mangekyo again. So a large circle. And then we do a circle somewhere in the middle. And then we try to do this propeller looking thing here. Curve there, and then it spikes that way. It spikes like the opposite side then here. These come back in, down to there, and just color in black. And then the red part has like lines around it there. Right, then his eyelid line just comes around that way, and then another eyebrow check mark, just going back and thicken up the area closest to his nose. So then he has those lines that are on his face, you know, that only Itachi has. And then we get like the bridge of his nose here. And then just nostrils then. And his mouth. So his mouth is slightly open, right? So you could draw it closed first. So we just go across. So down the back like that, right? So closed, but we can see teeth in it, right? So we just open the bottom a little bit. Like that, and maybe like add a bit of a shadow in the corner. Boom, 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 boom. And then his bottom lip. And then chin. So his jaw just goes up this way. Can't see as much on this side because you got those long hair spikes. So that big Uchiha hair spike coming down over his eyes and everything, like that. And then here as well. And they come down the center too. And then down here. The ones in the middle kind of like go back in that way. Okay, so we have the cracks on his face as well. So you could do these any old way. Just broken sort of lines. On his face, one coming over his nose. And down his face here. Right, then finish his hair. So it's just that round hair. He doesn't have any spikes. His hair is like long and tied at the base. So it just goes around like this. There's actually another section here. Right, and then his neck, sticking out this way. Can't see it there. Maybe a little bit. And we'll give him some like neck muscles there. And then his collar is, it's kind of like a hoodie thing. It's like two, so it goes just bumping that way. And there's like a second one. This goes down that way. And then his necklace inside, so it's this sort of ringed area. And that's it. Edo Tensei Itachi from Naruto. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.